My name is Aleva and today we are here for another photo shoot. We are going to be doing an Edo bridal themed photo shoot. Edo is a part of Nigeria where it's filled with beautiful cultural diversity, and we have a bride today and a groom today that you're going to see, both of them. And I want to show you how I'm going to be doing this photo shoot. I want you to walk with me behind the scenes and see how we create amazing images with the couple that I'm going to be shooting today. With my camera setup, I'm using Sony A7 IV and the Sony 70-200mm f2.8 Mark II. It's a G Master lens by the one and only Sony. In case you're interested in picking any camera equipment, photography gear, or anything in the photo industry, don't forget to check out Camdy Cameras on Instagram. They are giving out amazing discounts on their cameras today. Black Friday sales is coming up. You don't want to miss that opportunity. Xmas sales is also coming up. Don't forget to check out Camdy Cameras. And not to forget about Camdy Apartment that has given us this beautiful location for us to do this particular photo shoot. Do you love this garden here? So this is one of the features of this apartment, located somewhere in Galadimoa. Galadimoa is just 10 minutes drive from central area. This particular apartment is instituted with 4 bedrooms and standby generators, which are over here for your power supply needs, just in case the Nigerian national grid collapses again on you. So there's also a solar system that is available here, which is also mounted on the rooftop with a 5 kVA power system, just in case you are out of power. Moving on, we are going into the apartment where we have our model, we have our fashion designers, we have our stylists and makeup artists all preparing for this particular Edo bridal themed shoot. And moving on to the interior of this particular apartment, here we have our beautiful bride that is being made up by one and only Looks by Daphne. You can check out Looks by Daphne on Instagram using the link that's popping up on your screen right now, or use the link down in the description. And moving on, next we have our Okuku stylist. You can also check her out on Instagram using the link down in the description or the link that is popping up on the screen. Here we have the Okuku stylist, Megs, and you can also check her out. See her beautiful accessories over there that we'll be using for the bride. Before the photo shoot, I like giving some business tips, some photography tips for upcoming photographers and learners. Business tip of the day: camera gears doesn't guarantee you success in photography. It doesn't guarantee you amazing pictures. It doesn't guarantee you beautiful pictures. You are there from January to December trying to save for a particular lens. I want you to use that money for ads rather. I want you to use that money to upgrade your skills rather. If you can't buy that particular lens 5 at a time, I don't think it's the time for you to buy it yet. Save that money, go out there, rent equipment gears from people that normally rent. Go for upgrade classes, make YouTube your friend, upgrade your skills properly. All the Sonys, all the Canons, all the Nikons that you ever wished for, they will come at the right time. Don't go broke while you're trying to upgrade your shooting gears. In case you want to watch behind the scenes for this particular photo shoot, you can just skip this particular video and head straight to behind the scenes of the Edo bridal themed photo shoot. Here we have our bride that is ready for this photo shoot. Our makeup artist is over there, seated there. You can check her out on Instagram, Looks by Daphne, and the Okuku stylist is over there, Maria. You can also check her out on Instagram. So without further ado, let's dive straight into the photo shoot, guys. So we are done with the makeup, we are done with the styling of bride over there, and we want to start the shoots now. For my light setup, over here is a Godox 8600 Pro My camera setup, I'm using Sony a7 IV with Sony 70-200 Mark II G Master lens by Sony. And over here we have Godox AD200 Pro, which is going to be lighting just behind the bride's back, you know, to separate her from the background and at least give a dynamic feel to her body. And my assistant over here, I don't know why, I don't know why he's using sunglasses inside. All right, so my settings for camera right now, I am on f2.8. My ISO is 250, shutter speed of 320. Just in case you're interested in picking any camera equipment of your choice, don't forget to check out Camde Cameras on Instagram. They get to give you amazing discounts. We have Black Friday coming up. You don't want to miss any opportunity. We have Xmas sales also coming up. So don't forget to check out Camde Cameras on Instagram. Let's start our shoot. I guess she's tired already. We've used like 3 hours setting this up, you know, and she's looking awesome right now. In case you are visiting Nigeria, we have beautiful Edo brides down south Nigeria. you want to marry from there, I bet you. All right. One over two. Me. Okay, so Benny, please can you assist us? We're going to start as an assistant. Save the
battery for the mic.
No, it will serve. And this video is currently being shot on Sony a7S III with a gimbal DJI RS4. We have our light over here. That's an Aperture LS600 Pro. So we are being assisted by my friend, who is also a photographer. You can check him out on Instagram as well. Benny shot it. He said I should give him money. All right, so let's start this. All right, okay. All right, okay. We're starting with portrait. Okay, so just put it back. Yeah. Yeah, something like that. Okay, so Benny, I just want it flat. Yeah, take it down one. So you want to cross your leg in front, one leg in front. Yeah, cross it. Yeah, so that your hip will come out, and then the other hand. Yeah, good. That's it. Nice. Sorry? Yeah. So now you want to stand here. So this can just stay here. And then you're hiding your face behind her.
This also.
No, drop that one.
So hiding your face. You're not there.
Yeah, move inside. Oh, yeah, that's it. Open your legs wider. Yeah. All right, watch me here. Good. No, it's just. All right, let me see your faces, both of you. Just turn this way a bit. Good. So you're standing here. Your face this way a bit. Yeah. Good. Step out. Open your legs wide. Good, that's it. You're looking that way. Move this light.
Regal.
No, it's okay. Please, let's move this chair. Benny, come, please. Please just help me. Please push that light back a bit. No. The top. Yeah. Take it down. That's okay. Let me see this. Please adjust it again down. That's okay. No, that position where how you sat before was okay. It was better. Please. Sorry? Okay, alright. Okay, so you are kind of turning your body that way a bit, Abby? Alright. Benny, take the reflector down a bit. No, you're not sitting again. There's a way you start earlier on it. Okay, alright. Step down. Step down. Step down, please. Okay. Move this way a bit. Move, continue. And check, and we are done with the shoot. Maybe you want to have a sneak peek, but subscribe to my channel, turn on your post notifications so that you don't get to miss my upcoming videos. I'm going to teach you how I'll be retouching these particular images we just shot here. A big shout out to my entire team, starting with the videographer, Mr. Harry, the photographer, myself, the stylist, the Okuku stylist, Marek, who is over there, our beautiful bride over there, our most handsome groom in Nigeria at the moment, and of course our makeup artist looked by Daphne. All links to their various Instagram handles is down in the description. Don't forget to drop a comment. Let me know what you think about this video. Thank you guys.